Hey guys, Bryan here from the Guitar Factory. Today we're going to be breaking down I Can't Get No Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. I Can't Get No Satisfaction is a really great riff for beginning guitar players to start working on. Let's jump right into it. Okay, we're going to start out on your A string. That's the second lowest one here. And we're going to be going to the second fret with our pointer finger. And we're going to strike that second fret on the A string 2 times. Okay, once we make it through those 2, we're going to do the 2 again, but then head up to 4 and then 5, all on the A string. Now, one thing about playing in this position, instead of using just one finger to search out all these notes, I assign my fingers to where I have this first finger on the second fret, the second finger on the third, the ring finger here on the fourth, and then my pinky's assigned to the 5th fret. This way I'm able to keep my hands all in one position there. 2, 2, then 2, 4, 5. And again, that's all on that A string there. Okay, now as we come back around, we've made it past. Okay, now we have to come backwards. We're gonna do another 5 on our pinky, A string still. The whole riff is on one string. We're gonna do 2 more of those. Come back to 4 for 2 more. And then 1, 2 to end it. So here's our second half of it. Okay, putting the 2 pieces together. 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2. And then it repeats right after that. So you can see when I end that 2 there on the second fret, you have to restart it right away. 2, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5, 5, 4, 4, 2, 2. And that 2 there restarts the whole entire riff again. Hey guys, if you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe to the Guitar Factory. Also turn on your alerts so you get notified right when a new video comes out. If you're looking for an online guitar course, check out the guitarfactoryoc.com. We have a full 4-level course that will take you through all the fundamentals you need to know and how to apply them to real life songs.